This authorities, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very, very happy to be here and see it myself because I've heard about this hospital for a long time and really very happy to be here. As you already mentioned, this is not the first investment in this hospital. Before the solarization, there was the oxygen plant, there was the investment of the mobile health services, there was investment in nutrition services. Because for us, it's important that we develop a new standards for KP. And so this is why this program for us is much more than just supporting the population of these districts. For us, is to showing how all hospitals in KP should look like. And so on this case, I would like to thank you very much, Minister, and this is authority for allowing us to do so. Because we've heard a lot of good things about us, about our donation, our work, but honestly speaking, all the hard work is being done by the hospital, by the personnel and by the district administration to make it happen. So thank you very much for leading the change. Thank you very much for the pioneers in the KP, and I'm really hopeful that this will be a good lesson from the other hospitals to follow, and with the honorable ministers, we keep advocating for the donors to have more investment in this one, but also advocating for the government and of KP to have more investment in the health sector, because without the healthy population, it's difficult to expect the good and strong development of the province and of the country. And solarization is not only about saving the costs, which is important, but it's mostly about addressing the issue related to the climate change. As you know, Pakistan is one of the most affected countries in the world of the climate change. We all seen the issue of the air pollution. It all started from the problems of breathing of children while the oxygen plant was put here. Now we are addressing also the causes. So more solarization, more climate change related projects will make this place healthier. It will also lower the burden of the health system. So the health system can focus on the most difficult cases, difficult cases to be prevented by proper investments also in development. So this is not only the health project, this is the climate change, this is development projects for the province and the sample for the country. So thank you very much and have a good day. Thank you.